put condensed milk straight in the oven and now I can't stop making it. Here I'm using a 395-gram can of condensed milk. I'm putting everything in the oven without the can. Now I'm adding 100 grams of shredded coconut, 200 grams of cream, and 3 eggs on top. Now we're going to mix everything really well. After mixing it all, I'll add milk on top and mix well. Now I'll pour the milk on top and mix it in well. After mixing thoroughly, I'll add milk on top and blend it in. Honestly, it's impossible to resist. Make this at home and I'm sure everyone will love it. Folks, this recipe here is absolutely delicious. It's like pudding, but coconut adds a special touch. The best part is that it's super easy to make. Just mix and it's ready to go. Check out the texture inside. That's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another Poor Man's Kitchen recipe. A big hug to you all. See you next time and thanks.